of knowledge on us. Warm welcome to Shri Gopi Chand Gehlot ji also. He Kamal par
The unrelenting and persevering endeavor of Dr. Chautala have today enabled Vidyapeeth attain a formidable stature in the domain of education. In so far as the students from all corners of the country are raring to connect to it. Mr. Ajay Singh Chautala completed his elementary education in the village Chautala, itself followed by MA and LLB in Jaipur, ending up earning the degree of PhD from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Privileged to welcome Professor Dr. Kuldeep Singh Dhindsa ji, Director General of JCD Vidyapeeth, whose inspiration persona is our beacon of light. An internationally felicitated academician, he is a living legend. He obtained MSc and PhD degree from Punjab University, Chandigarh, under the guidance of Professor Ramchand Paul, Vice Chancellor, for which he received scholarship from National Bureau of Standards, Washington. Later he proceeded to Germany and USA for higher study and research. Professor Dhindsa excellence in the field of professional and technical education in northern India. The award like Dr. Ambedkar National Shivasri Award, Indian National Science Academy Award.
The first annual convocation of Jan Nayak Chaudhary Devilal PG College of Education open. दीक्षांत समारोह में मंचासीन डायरेक्टर जनरल डॉक्टर कुलदीप सिंह जी ढींडसा, जन नायक चौधरी देवीलाल विद्यापीठ के वाइस चेयरमैन अजीज मनिंदर पाल सिंह जी बराड़, हमारे विशेष मेहमान श्री गोपी चंद जी गहलोत, पूर्व डिप्टी स्पीकर हरियाणा, आज के समारोह में अपने भविष्य की ओर अग्रसर हो रहे सभी हमारे डिग्री धारक छात्र छात्राओं, मुझे आप लोगों के बीच में इस पावन अवसर पर अपने आप को पा करके बेहद प्रसन्नता और खुशी अनुभव कर रहा हूं। चौधरी देवीलाल के उस सौपन जन नायक चौधरी देवीलाल विद्यापीठ की स्थापना की गई। आज उसके प्रथम दीक्षांत समारोह में मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पे आप लोगों के बीच में अपने आप को पा करके मैं गौरविंद।
Graduates, ladies and gentlemen, I deem it a privilege to address the gathering today in this prestigious college named after former Deputy Prime Minister of India, Jan Nayak Chaudhary Devilal. The college has grown and flourished to an enviable level, imparting value-based education. It is today known for its contributions in nation building and producing teachers who are sensitive to the needs and expectations of the society. Because this was one word which Jan Nayak always emphasized, that any activity we undertake must be for the good of mankind, for the good of the society. And I'm glad my graduates from this college are fulfilling his dream. May you receive his blessings today from heaven to succeed in life.
On behalf of the Principal, JCD PG College of Education and other distinguished staff of the college, I would like to extend my sumptuous thanks to all present here on this momentous event of the first annual convocation ceremony organized by JCD PG College of Education. My out of the way thanks goes to Dr. Ajay Singh Chotala ji, who has squeezed time out of his hectic schedule and has consented to embolden the students to confer degrees and medals.